but kawoni any sama ndongura mi weche kum program nyoke leme majilung abokalam mwachi weche difficult issues, a little bit of insight malay magwe ango mube sento dan kaka now kawoni any lembete mabera nkechango tung sagane side pa Acholi sub-region dano mikit gum dano miragago kakeni any kadi parts of Gulu kadi parts of Lao like for instance aneno manachingwa biruka kuchuku honorable Mara miru tuhe biruka wacho kidima jupare de Kjong warriors give sendo gi akecha asagane joma gi gine pa Kjong magishi kwalu Dyangi pa dano now gi kwalu Dyangi kawoni any dano beringu ngwesh matek madong gi ketu Dyangi miki karashelo mafoda gluong ngo duol Acana mutie Rwot mira Acholi ni wechu lempare foda mitaka pen duon pat kakai ke miki pat lok matika time ke gang itika winye maber tuwal ento chwer chuny bena tima tek tuwal government do you think government in terms of security katimo lok matek tuwal menen me geng o jong enene ka yelo Acholi and even parts of Lao
lok pa o jong has been one standing problem. Perma uri pikar malaj, pa pidire ena penyeke. Inoni chengjui literally every day no ketika nekodano. Amir wachini wa beru ki guest last week. Ma wachwani niale inira chile noni dana dek kineroge. Joma kiti neroge piketi neroge ki muduru. Ojong yakayang ki wajini they are cat rustlers gibino ki muduru ki kwalo Dyangi chero kwede. Ento enni kumbe dongo lago tactics ma meggi gibino ka tero gibino ki tong gibino ki pala. Ginnego dan la ling chalo romo ki noi oti ki penyo kama DLT ye dano non tiko vorkilei ot. Donc ini ngeni Dyangi kake miro peke kwal ini karo Dyangi ngej ini vure de gola weke gwak Dyangi kake biro ke duon de gola ke yabo ka beno Okwero ke cwee-cwinye wiwi ot. Donc luku ma cwee-cwinye wi dano luku ma nego dano luku ma tika chopo dano ki pala ki tong ki ngogini o mitno ke timgi ki ning enni pilokuo enni joma kitgi reju ma ke tika nyepo gi anyeba an timjwa waye dano ni ki waji in pepero ka bi ino moranga ngatu guru tongwai tamani Bible man ye
so no Old Testament not
exactly.
New Testament no when Jesus Christ came and he said it was done
genu wa waji kumano
yeah
pero tima dit people are going through unbearable pain
that is true
chan ma wano dong lonyo ma wano dong kwede kumeni enele ma megwa leni ki bino ki kwalo ki nego lutini ki nego wa ino iti chere por weke fu dek e lutini wek dire kwa gu ben mabe ki noi poro ki negio ki kwalo ngo these are not even rebel outfits these are criminal gangs gamata merodigi
but we kongo win kong duon Rwot Acana David ma eno biro Rwot me Acholi mo biro kamiyo duone ma tek totual and calling upon government me Uganda mumiero katikere wako meneno ni ko gwak kong dano ma Acholi kong wa win kong duon la diet Rwot ka duk doka kanyal
Lawi Rwodi mi Acholi Rwot David Onen Acana mi ario Okwero la jwa tim man pa ojong magtie kono ka neko dano Yako le la ka achiel ke bolo chan malit ikom la Acholi magtie kono ka kwa district mikit gum la mo Agago la ka achiel ke ipade
have been living as if they are in a war situation because of the raids of the Kjong, which has intensified. They are not only raiding cattle, but they are also killing people. They are also destroying properties. They are hurting people. In that, people have to gather all their animals in one place so that it can be guarded by the army. Some people have to go and sleep in schools because their houses or their homes are already insecure. This means that the level of production for our people is going down at this moment that the rain is just beginning. It means that children are not going to be able to go to school because they have to be moving from place to place. This, therefore, signals that in future or towards the end of the year, there is going to be a problem with our people because they would have not planted crops. They will not have money because they would have not had anything to sell. Animals that are being raided by the Karamojong. And I wonder why this problem of Karamojong cannot go away year in, year out.
En Rwot beno mete kun wajo ni, mineno yo min yang peo madano tika karye ke kume, en biber ki kare, milimo, kaberu meno, kare ki kare.
In the next few days, I want to go to Agago to have a first-hand experience, meet with the people, meet with the army, and after that, I want to find a way of meeting with the Karamojong elders. And really, I try to understand them better, because if it is just about drought and looking for grass for animals, then why do you steal other people's animals? Why do you hurt them? Why do you kill them? Why do you displace them? You know, these are some of the questions that probably the elders in Karamoja could be able to answer. Government should have it upon them that there should be a serious dialogue going on between the Karamojong and the areas that they are disturbing, that is Acholi, Lao, Teso, and others.
Okwero Santo Ochan, ngaratien maberu kono ilakat parish, matie kono Agago district, endo ulogo kon kwayar matek, timpalo mony, makago chako kono lupo ko diema meggi kino, peki duwako ge wenkien mano gen girwenyo kwere.
Gen binu kwanye diwa, mony loko kware geko ayo, gen luwo ko chien, lang chirke diang ene gak kuman. Kado gak, report ma wano ye, the dieni, mony ke mal doko mako, kwanye ke chwal longo, ke longo ke kobo, dabo duong, ke luwo chibili ane ke chirke pok dieni, ke no monyo yer bie ma dao, dong bie ma teno ken. Dieni pa jo Agago, amir ke mi bot jo Agago, ke tuono jo Agago, ke mi bie pier dek, ke komia chel ke pier bichiel, jo Agago po gama dia.
Okay, bena ngaratien maberi charo meno Agago district en wajo ni lumon ka go bolo potor miaka meggi miaka lopo kono jongo kor ke kor tit ke luak tit ke civilian ente noni joman pegiti ko kin mano gen chalo kin gang ge biago ni ogwa kut guti kwere
ka Dyangi bi bal ke kan mo miero moñ ku mier ku chelao ni mano te cher ke Dyang no ke ma ko choke pat ke chelo ai anenu ni kelu en ko mo nyana kan bo wang civilian mani ni kuduki dia gendo lakadugo.
Brigadier General Bali Kudembe ngan maloyo kono barak madid mia der pamon matie kono yo jong en wajo ni gendo ngiti ka tij mater ni chake karma ke chako kono bod
ali ba chiel ki wiye ni chake imwara ni makwa ngeni owen the ammunitions, the bullets, 14,212. Makaro ali ba para yangwen kiwi. Magen ki kwanya ki boro jong. In the total number of cows recovered are 76,910. Die magen ki kwanya ye ali ba bero. Piera bera ye wi abichiel. Ali piera bera wi abichiel. Magen ki kwanya ki boro jong. Moro die mano ki kwanya chicken ki gamo ki dwa ko chen. And I found, as he said, that the Karamajongo used to attack and go even beyond Kitugum up to Guru. But we have dealt with the criminals, and since 2017 to date, we have prosecuted and they are serving sentences in various government prisons. There are 2,845.
Beloka ngea mawchwin iwan Luo TV and Dennis Oti ya Agago District.
All right, ber afoyo tutual winyu wono duon la dit Rwot ka kenyo erni and then ber la di me UPDF magin gu lok ma tek tutual lok panek ma tika war iwan so ngo mu miero government ko tim kong gene pat in your own opinion, especially when you look at the issues, because man it affects the issue for security in the region.
Me achel President Wachibicharo, if the issue of Keramajong persists, Ebicharo kono enekome. I think it is long overdue. Warrot Yagodong his tours in the regions. Let him take time off and see Perotikwe on his commanding team, Mati ground. Me ario, Lochare Munyu Germala Lakingang Monawaji Kenyu. Wajini Polkare, they have changed the tactics. Kaki kwalo Dyang, Mono Mirkichet Kilup ko Jomo raiding, Wake Kwine Dyang Dokchen, Joma Lubo ko Dyangi, allegedly. We are quoting or pick a wajina waju. Kitaki waju kwere is statement ni mon lobo komotaka kago o kono kimini ki kitu kidogo ge wego Dyang mete mera nyim gidu ki chingi nono.
Ana wini Dyang en ki kelo ki chara Kampala.
Chi Dyang no yone binoro. Piem ka don ki goy wanglu jomano mirgo jog Dyang. Dyang kriyo ki kelo ki charo. Whose problem? Lokin gang no tika kwor tika gano mon era ki tika gano yamo. En jomano ki tika gano ni ena gelo kuo magati in the system me causing that racket. Chide noni at the end of the day it becomes hard. La chen beri chalo chimo wang. Kumbeti kitika chimo wang mon. One watika chimo wang gamente. At the end of the day, who is who? Or what determine the higher authority must embark on this. La chenja obero kanye program daro ini nem chalo mero ke mini ke modoro anbana chwao. Ke mi jol modoro.
Me mundoro to the citizens. Are you not going to recruit militia groups?
Yanke kero gimon wakalone mulango kumini. Idogo la chela nge dogo la pa ke mi modoro chiel. Nge dogo la pa ke mi modoro chiel. Wek jema gete biro katere go dak ke kope piegi.
How about if Dano start misusing them?
Gun violence duong amer wachini kirika kwa yini ki controlling mudogo nyopi ki controlling mudogo filters pa mudogo matika bino duong Sudanese aki ye kuja giriyo gidonyo gibino gi yelo dano gi dok chen gibino la mo gi yelo dano gi dok chen o jong bino yelo dano gi dok chen donc kaga mente ngeni it is a problem kid maruor waji kwene pingo it has overstayed kaki ngeni it is a problem. Why don't you deal with it once and for all? Wanero bom kono bom ki kuma kono bom were mo Kampala chela ria dek ki iro ki chero kumberi karimo ADF wa Congo. Why can't they do the same?